How to lower costs and increase Google PPC ROI fast. In today's competitive digital landscape, maximizing your Google pay-per-click return on investment is crucial. Let's explore some practical ways to lower costs and boost your ROI quickly. First, conduct a thorough keyword review. Identify and pause any underperforming or irrelevant keywords that are draining your budget without delivering results. Focus on long-tail keywords, as these often have lower competition and higher conversion rates. Next, enhance your ad copy. Make sure your ads are compelling and include a clear call to action. A well-crafted ad captures attention and encourages clicks from potential customers who are more likely to convert. Optimize your landing pages. Ensure they are relevant to your ad content and provide a seamless user experience. A fast-loading, well-designed landing page with clear messaging increases the likelihood of conversion. Leverage negative keywords. Adding negative keywords to your campaigns prevents your ads from being displayed in irrelevant searches, ultimately saving you money and increasing the quality of your leads. Adjust your bidding strategy. Consider using automated bidding options provided by Google to optimize your bids in real time, ensuring you're not overpaying for clicks while still achieving your goals. Monitor performance regularly. Keep an eye on your campaign analytics and make data-driven adjustments to improve performance over time. Consistent monitoring can reveal patterns and opportunities for further optimization. Finally, experiment with ad extensions. Use extensions like site links, callouts, and structured snippets to provide additional information and increase the relevance of your ads to potential customers. In summary, by carefully reviewing your keywords, refining ad copy, optimizing landing pages, utilizing negative keywords, and adjusting your bidding strategy, you can effectively lower costs and improve your Google PPC ROI.